Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the brand new Simplicity. This is the Scout Plus. It is their newest canister vacuum. It just come out, so today we're going to do the unboxing of it. This machine is perfect for carpet, hardwood floors, and it has an electric power head that comes with it to be able to do all of those carpet, hardwood floors. And this thing is so reasonably priced, it's ridiculous. So first thing you're going to pull out here is your electric hose. Then you got your telescopic wand here. You'll open up the inside of this. I gotta say, I love the color of this machine. It's very, very nice, very sleek, very lightweight, believe it or not. This is a very nice looking vacuum here. So it looks like all the tools are stored directly on the inside of the compartment here. So you have your dusting brush, your upholstery tool, your crevice tool here. This has a speed selector for the height adjustment, for the suction control. So you're going to have the low speed, low suction for dusting all the way up to your max for your hardwood floors. Your HEPA filter is here on the inside of this machine. Looks like you've already got the bag installed. You have your nice big HEPA pre-filter there, which is nice. And then you have your main HEPA filter on the back. What's cool about this is, I don't know if you guys could see this or not, but it actually has slots for the additional attachments that go right there, which is very nice. All rubber coated on the bottom, bumper guarded. This even top is all rubber bumper guarded, protective machine, the walls. Very nice, very sleek little vacuum. I like this already. Next, we're going to pull out your power head here. Yeah, this is nice, very, very nice. It has a steel roller on it, which is incredible. These last much longer than those wooden rollers, so there's plastic ones. Has an LED light on the front of it. Very nice, very nice. So we're going to go ahead and attach this bad boy to there. Go ahead and plug this in here and attach this. Like so. So there. This is a very affordably priced, very well made vacuum. It's not made in China. It's made with good quality parts. Like I said, there's a lot of nice features to this. The solid steel brush roll, the LED light. You have a telescopic wand, which is very, very nice. You have your speed selection here, so you can raise and lower the suction all from the handle here, which is a nice feature. Turn the machine directly on and off from the handle. Tools on the inside, pre-filter, HEPA filter, takes a nice big HEPA bag, retractable cord, suction control. This thing has everything that you need in a vacuum. These are very affordably priced. They're a lot less expensive than a Miele, but from what I can see this so far, just from unboxing this thing, this has a lot of really, really nice features in them. Like I said again, this is the Simplicity Scout. It's great for all hardwood floor surfaces. It's great for all carpeting. It has lots of tools and attachments to do all your above floor cleaning. Very good tool, very good machine. I like this. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Again, this is the Simplicity Scout Plus. Give us a shout if you have any questions, 703-997-9292. If you'd like to come check out a demo with this bad boy, come stop by the store and come see me, all right? Thanks, guys.